the first time I would like to say good afternoon teacher and good afternoon everybody. How are you today? I'm okay. My name is Lisa. I'm 10 years old. I live in Silverland. Today I'm so happy to be standing here the first time for me that I'm a MC. If I speak something wrong, I hope that all of you don't take my mistake. Now I invite Sister Tida with Sister Gita. Now clap your hands all together.
Good afternoon teacher and good afternoon everybody. My name is Hida. I'm 10 years old. I live in Silverland. My teacher name is Teacher Nap. I study in grade 3rd. Good afternoon teacher and good afternoon everybody. My name is Chieta. I'm 10 years old. I live in Silverland. I study in grade 3rd. My teacher name is Teacher Nap. Donald is in the 2nd grade. Donald រៀននៅថ្នាក់ទី 2. He reading level is not as good as other students. គាត់អានមិនល្អដោយសារដទៃទេ He want to improve his English skill. គាត់ចង់ឲ្យជំនាញភាសាអង់គ្លេសរបស់គាត់កាន់តែល្អ He start to read more. គាត់ចាប់ផ្ដើមអានបន្ត He look up word he does not know in the dictionary. គាត់មើលពាក្យដែលគាត់មិនចេះនៅក្នុងវចនានុក្រម He write down what the word mean. គាត់សរសេរពីអត្ថន័យរបស់ពាក្យ Afterward he read the book again. បន្ទាប់មកគាត់អានសៀវភៅម្ដងទៀត
How do you feel? How do you feel, Sister Tida?
Yes, I'm so happy.
How do you feel, Sister Jita?
Yes, I'm so happy.
Now finish. I speaking. I think that everybody understand about the topic. Now goodbye, teacher, and goodbye to everybody. See you next time.